Hello, guys. Good morning, Niranjan and Shailaji.
Good morning.
Good morning, Vansh.
So let's wait for a few more minutes. Let's give some time for the people to join. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. So if not, we can start by 8:35. Okay, let's get started, guys. So, let's people come in. Okay. So before that, I just wanted to know your information about yourself. Can you introduce yourself, Niranjan? So what currently are
Good
you
morning
working
to
in?
good morning to all.
Sorry,
Currently,
Niranjan,
I'm
go ahead.
working in the Flowlogic automation system as a hello, ma'am.
Your voice is bit low, Niranjan. Can you speak bit louder?
Uh, Hello, good morning to all. I'm Niranjan Shirukure. Currently, I'm working as a RP developer in UiPath in Flowlogic automation system. I'm interested to learn to automation anywhere, so that's some plans.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. So, on what RPA tool you are working currently?
UiPath.
Okay, good to know. Thanks. Yogarani, I had an sorry, Shailaja, good. Thanks.
Yeah. So, hello all. So I am currently working in Selenium automation. So I am learning to move to automation anyway.
Good, Shailaja. Yeah. I had a chance to speak with Yogarani yesterday. So, can you introduce yourself, Yogarani? Okay. You're on mute if you're speaking. Okay, no worries. So let's get started. Uh, so have you people watched yesterday? Have you joined the demo session? Did you get time to start join yesterday demo session? So
Yeah,
if
once.
not, okay. If not, I have provided the YouTube link as well. You can go in future as well if it required. I have provided a lot of theoretical information in yesterday's demo session. What all the applications, what all the industries where this API has been using, and how the companies are getting transformed and improving their ROI using these RPA tools. I've clearly mentioned each and every information in the yesterday demo class. So if you people miss, so you can go and watch it. I've shared it in the chat. Okay. Before moving to the next step, so can someone come for me? Can you be able to see the screens?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Thanks for the confirmation. So, so I just wanted to start here to let you know what all the things I'll be covering in this automation and with training. So, we'll be going through the A360 training, A360. So I'll be teaching you on the A360. A360 is nothing but it's currently whatever the version we are using in the automation unit. So it's called A360 version. So I'll be teaching you the all the activities, all the development activities using the Dev Studio in the A360. So this will be covering for around 25 days. We'll cover this A3 on the A360 part. So the next thing, so I'll be teaching you guys on SQL around 3 to 5 days. I'll be covering the SQL topics for 3 to 5 days, and parallelly I'll be teaching you the VB script or macros, how to use this, how to use this in industries. So what all the use cases which we'll be getting in automation innovate tool. So I'll be teaching you how to write a VB script or macros. So in this training session, and also along with these, so I'll just so there'll be free certifications as well in AI University. So I'll guide you people how to perform these free certifications, and also I'll train I'll train and guide you people getting the advanced and master certifications as well. Any questions still here?
No, sir.
Yeah, thanks for the confirmation.
Hi.
So along with this,
Hello.
sorry, someone is speaking. Yeah,
Sir, daily how much classes you take? How much are?
sorry.
How much are you take classes daily?
Oh, I'm planning to take around 1.5 to 2 hours. 2 hours a session. 2 hours per session. So first thing,
Morning or evening?
sorry.
Daily morning or evening? I'm asking. Last
Yeah,
time.
I'm currently working. So I do have overall 9 years of experience in the RPA industry. So I've been working.
No, I'm asking.
Yeah, go ahead.
So just I'm asking in the morning take class or evening? I'm just asking.
Okay. We are planning. We are going to plan around sometime between 8 to 10 a.m.
And so how much class fees totally are?
Yeah. So as of now, we have planned to take around 12,000 per train, including all the training. Plan to get it done within 30 to 45 days. We are planning for the sessions. So over the course, so you'll be getting the for each session you'll be getting the daily assignments as well. So each day, the discussions will be there. If you have any queries, you can for first 30 minutes we can discuss on the assignment part. Later we can move to the next topic sessions, and also I'll be providing the mini projects as well. So how will be training in the real world projects will be there, right? So I'll be giving the those scenarios as well. So and also we do have automation anywhere has uh, board games as well. So you can be able to work on those board games as well, get the real-time experience. And also along with these tools, I've just planned to So I'm just plan to provide a session on the Lucid chat and Splunk tools as well. So in the real time, so we'll be using this Lucid chat for preparing the solution design documents or any other business process flow diagrams. We'll be using this Lucid chat. We'll be doing it in the real time. So I'll be training you how those things also will be done, and also I'll be providing a high level overview of using this Splunk tool as well. So we can be able to log all the informations and get all the analytics information using this Splunk tool. So I'll provide an high level overview of this Splunk tool as well. What's the advantages of using this? So any questions? Okay. If not, we can continue on the today's session topic. So before starting of installing the studio in your machines using the community editions, I just wanted to let you know the architecture of the A360 Automation Anywhere tool architecture. I just wanted to explain you people how exactly this is designed. So mainly we do have 4 different components in our Automation Anywhere architecture. First one is control room. Second one is bot creator. Third one is bot runner. Fourth one is bot agent. So first part. So this control room. So this is a web-based server. Web-based server, and also it is a repository actually. It is a repository where it holds all the bots. So all the bots scheduling, execution, and also it handles all the user management as well. So this control room is a center of the in the architecture. It's a main part. So where it holds all the bots which were creating. So it's a repository place where all the bots will be placed, and also uh, so this is the place where the execution will get happen, and also we can be able to schedule the bots in the control room, and we can run it on the different machines as well using the bot runners. And also it's a place where you can be able to find all the users who are using that particular control room. We can be able to get the information in the control room as well. So the next step is bot creator. So using this bot creator, so this is the dev environment. So where we will be building the bots. So once this is the place where we'll be building the bots. So once the bots have been developed, we'll be checking the bots to them. Control room. So control room is a place where all the bots which were created, which it holds. So any questions till here? Any any doubts? Okay. Uh, next component is bot runner. So this is the runtime environment where bots are executed. So we can be able to execute bots uh, wherever we want. So in the cloud or in the machines or in the VDIs. So we can be able to execute the created bots using this bot runner. So the next main component is bot agent. Actually, this is the lightweight application which is installed in so this is a lightweight application which is installed in the bot runners, and this acts as this provides the communication between control room and so this bot agents, it is a lightweight application which is installed in the bot runners, and this agent will provide the communication between the control room and bot runner. So whenever we install this bot agent, what exactly happened is, so we can be able to, if we have access for the control room, so if we have access for the control room, we can be able to run whatever the bots which got assigned to that particular bot runner. Using this bot agent, we can be able to run it. Any questions still here? Okay. So then we will, next step is we'll start installing the community edition. So I'm placing the community edition URL in the chat. So you people can navigate to that particular URL. So we'll perform the operations parallelly. So I'll be doing it in my machines parallelly. You people also can do it installed in your machines. So once you log in into the URL community edition URL, so you'll get land up on this page. So provide the basic information here: first name, last name. Your business email, you can provide your Gmail emails as well, and phone number, company name. So is everyone able to navigate this URL? Is anyone facing issues? So Niranjan, Yoga Rani, Shailaja, you people can be able to navigate the URL, right? Can someone confirm me, please? I guess Niranjan, you are not audible here.
Yes, sir, I did it actually.
Okay, good. Yoga Rani and Shailaja, whether you people can be able to navigate to the URL?
Yeah, Vamsi.
Okay. So once after entering all the information, so you people might have got an email to the email address which you have provided over there. So you people might have got this particular email. So it might take few minutes, some 2 or 3 minutes to get it. Please confirm me once you navigated to this, once you get the email. Can someone confirm me whether you have received this email?
Yes, sir, receive.
Okay. So once you got into the URL, so you can click on this and you can be able to provide the username and password over here. You can create the password for getting signed in. So once after providing the password, give the next, and you can be able to create the few security questions here. Security is, provide answer or so create the security questions in such a way that you can be able to answer it. So in future, if something happens using these security questions, we can be able to relog in it again. So once you provide the security questions and answers, So click on the save and login. Is anyone facing issues over here? So till this point. So you will get logged into the community edition. So if you people are have not navigated to the defaultly, if you have not navigated to the URL, so then I'm just placing the community edition URL. You can be able to sign in using the username and password which you created just now. So can anyone of you share the screen? So I'll just guide you people. So you'll be having the hands on.
I'm able to log in.
Okay. Thank you for the confirmation. Niranjan, can you be able to log in?
Yeah, login, sir.
Okay. Yogarani?
Oh, yes, I can able to log in.
Okay. So once hello, someone speaking. So once after logged into the community edition. So I have done here already. I've installed it in my machine. So you people can click on here. First 1 minute. Let me delete it. So you people might have been seeing this yellow mark here, right? Under the device settings, click on it. So once if you click on it, you'll get an option connect local device. So while connecting the local device, you'll get an option connect to my computer. So after clicking on connect to my computer, so you'll be getting an option over here. So automatically the bot agent will get download will get started. So since in my machine it has already installed, I could able to see this. So I'll be waiting for a few more minutes for getting the bot agents downloaded in your machines. So please confirm me once after the bot agents have been downloaded.
Yeah, it's downloaded.
Thanks, Elisa. So Here you could see the automation in where bot agent.exe, right? Once after the downloading. So double click on this. Or can you share your screen, Shailaja, so I can guide you? So that each one of you can follow. Yeah. So once after clicking on that particular bot agent exe, so you'll be getting an option, setup type option. So you can perform, we need to select all users here, the default version, and click on the next. And here we'll be selecting the automatic option only. Click on the next and install it. Click on install. Once that is done, so you'll be getting a pop-up here. So using that is nothing but it's an Google Chrome extension. So we need to enable that particular extension. Click on enable extension. Yeah. Now the installation has been, click on the finish. So now now the bot agent will get connected to your computer. So you will, by default, your device name will get placed here. You can click on done. So now the bot agent installation has been done your machines. Thank you, Shailaja, for sharing the screen.
Yeah. Thank you.
So everyone can be able to follow it. Niranjan and Yogarani, you people have also followed the steps, right? Or anyone facing any issues? If any issues, I can guide you people. Hello. Okay, let's proceed with the next steps. I'll give a brief overview of the control room. So this is the home page where you can be able to see what all the automations or bots which you have created here. So under these my automations, you can be able to see the recently opened or created bots here. And here you could see, as I said, using this automation where university, you can be able to perform the free certifications over here. You can be able to do the all the courses and get certificates over there. And also by using these board games, so they'll be providing the few challenges, and you can be able to uh, learn from the particular board games, and you can be able to try downloading it. We so over the training session, I'll be guiding you people what all the challenges, what all the tasks which over there, so we can able to do it in our training sessions. So this is a bot store. So this is a place where we'll be getting all the bots, all the organization bots will be placing over here. This is nothing but a repository kind of thing. So instead of uh, in the real time, so instead of building the bots from scratch, so we can be able to get the information, or we can be able to get the using this bot store, we can be able to download the bots. But for this particular thing, we need to have the enterprise license. So that organizations will be providing the enterprise license, right? So using that login, we can be able to download the existing bots over there, and we can able to use the reusable bots in our tool instead of developing it from scratch. And also, this is nothing but it's a community URL. So whether if any of the people are facing some challenges or something, you can post it in the community. So there'll be many people over there who they can guide you people. And this is nothing but the Pathfinder is nothing but it's a newer launcher of the Automation Anywhere, where we can get all the informations from the Pathfinder. And the next step is, so over here in the AI, we can see the document automation. So this document automation is the new future here in the A360. So this is used for extracting the data from the PDFs, or some other images or PNGs, or some scanned documents. We can be able to extract the information uh, from those, and we can be able to get the data and work on it using this documented automation. We'll be doing it. So in the training, I'll be telling you all the steps of we'll be creating the learning instance. So what all the things need to be done, I'll be explaining further trainings. So here, if you could see, this is an activity place where you could see the in progress tasks, historical, bot runs, and insights. So this bot insights is nothing but it provides, so whatever the bots you have built, so based on the transactions or number of records which have been processed. So if you could see once, let me show you one example. So here you could see how many bots you have built, and how many completed, how many success, how many tasks failed. You can be able to get the weekly bot status, failure reasons as well. We can be able to create our own bot. So in each of the tasks, we can be able to create uh, using there'll be a package called analyze. So using that particular analyze package, we can be able to create our own bot insights, what all the things which you need to provide the presentation for the business. So how many transactions the bot has been performed, how many savings are there. We can be able to create the dashboards using this bot insight. Any questions till here? Okay. So, so under this manage tab, you can find three different sub tabs. So under this devices, it will show what I'll just connect to my local machine. Previously, I've deleted that, right? So due to which, so under these devices, you can be able to see the local device which got connected to the machine. You can find all the information over here. So this the advantage of this is we can be since this is automation Anywhere is completely native cloud architecture. We can be able to delete this particular device in this machine, and using the URL we can be able to navigate in some other machines, and we can be able to install the bot agents in that machine, and also we can run it. So that's the advantage of automation with architecture. And
Yes, sir.
here the global, sorry.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Niranjan, go ahead.
So I'm facing some issue in installing the bot agent. Can you explain this?
Okay. Can you share your screen?
It's, is it visible, sir?
I could see the blank screen.
Just a minute. Now it is visible.
Yeah.
So actually, I'm downloaded here the bot automation bot.
Oh, I guess while sharing the screen, you have selected only this particular tab. So can you select the entire screen and share your screen?
Just a minute. Now it is visible.
Uh, yeah, actually it's a bit slow. Okay.
Sir, here now downloaded the automation agentic bot agent. Download.
Okay. So click on that.
Okay.
Yeah, provide run as administrator.
Sir, here only for me. Is it?
No, click on all users. So select the default one and click next. Click next. Click on install. Let's wait for Oh, let's wait. I guess your internet connectivity is a bit slow. So let's wait till it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So once it is done, so you'll get an option called install. So
Okay.
so you can after clicking on the install, so that's it. So it will the bot agent will get downloaded in your machine. So after that, I've shown you the steps, right? Click on that particular device in the left corner.
Okay. Here, na, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
One
Connect as
second.
local device. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Click on that connect local device.
Okay. Just I'll do that, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Moving to the next step. So stop on the global values, right? So here, these global values are nothing but we can be able to create create the set of uh, some set of values such as defaultly which you'll be using in all of the bots. So in all of the bots, if we need to use these particular values, if we create here in the global values, we can be able to use in all of the bots which you have created locally. So you might be able to you might be able of so there are two different types actually, global and local variables. So using the local values, you can be able to use only in that particular bot. So but if you need to get that particular global value, if we create the global values here, and we can be able to use it across all the ports. For example, the RPA folder path which we will be creating. So that is the default location where we will be storing all the project details and informations, right? So that particular folder path we can be able to create here inside this global values, and we can use it across all the ports. So that's the advantage of global values here. And the next step is credentials. So these credentials are nothing but, so before creating the credentials, we need to create a locker. First, we so so whatever the applications you are logging in, so that might need security, right? So due to which Automation Anywhere has provided a feature called locker and credential system. So where we can be able to create the locker, and so here, for example, I've created a Gmail locker where I can be able to store the credentials. So the components would be the username and password. So those username and passwords will be creating it in the under the credential sections. We'll be creating the login and password, and we'll be assigning these credentials to this particular locker which we created. So all the credential in the future, if something might required, and I'll be creating one more additional component. For example, for logging into the Gmail, we need an app key, right? So we can be able to create one more credential here in the app key, and we can be able to assign it to the same particular locker. We can be able to consume it in our bots. So we can walk through in the future on these credentials, how we'll be creating and how we'll be assigning it to that. And next thing is, this is the package version. So all the all the components will be present in the package section. So whatever the for example, this app integration, using this app integration command will be connecting to the multiple applications, browser. We can be able to yesterday I provided you all the set of applications in the PPT. I have told you all the applications which Automation Anywhere supports. So we can be able to use connect all those things, data table, database, SQL. So all the packages will be available here. So as I said,
Hello, sir.
so you can.
Hello, sir.
Sorry, go ahead.
Sir, actually, this is the install. Can I check the show the window install log? Can I check mark? I'll leave it as it. Hello.
Yes. Can you share your screen?
Can I check mark the show the window? It is visible, sir.
It's a bit slow. Just a second. Yeah, I guess the installation is done. Yeah, click on
Can
finish. Click
I
on
check mark?
finish. Not required, not required. Click
Can I
on
check mark?
finish. It is not required. We can click on finish. Yeah, so now you could see it got connected. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So this is the package version. So under the administration, so since it's a community version, so we can be able to see only the users over here. So if we have the admin access, so there are a few more things we can be able to add users. So those components also will be there. So since it is community edition, we are having only one option here. So I can show you in the future. I can show you what all the other options available here. Any questions still here? So the next step is we'll create one bot and how we'll be using the Dev Studio. I'll be explaining it. Any questions before that? Okay. Then let's create one sample Hello World bot. So click on this create and select the option called task bot. So provide any particular name. So you can do it as introduction. So description, it is an optional. You can be able to select. So in this particular folder, so underscore bots is the default location. If you want to change it, you can be able to edit this here by clicking on choose, and we can be able to browse, and we can be able to select whatever the folder which we are be able to creating. So for now, I'll be saving that uh, into the default location only. And once it is done, we'll be clicking on the create and edit. Once after clicking on the create and edit, you can be able to navigate into the Dev Design Studio. So as I said, try packages. So all the packages will be here under the Actions tab. Uh, for example, if I need to print a message, hello world. So we'll be using this message box, and here we'll be entering the information. Hello world. If you need to print this particular information, we'll be selecting the package called message box and just select and drag and drop it here. And after drag and drop, click on that particular action. So provide whatever the message you need to display it here and click on save. So, and once if we click on the run, so the bot, it will get started to deploy to your computer. and whatever the dependencies which you are using, so it will download for the first time. So, and for the next time, if you are using the same package, it will not download in that particular machine. And here you could see the message box, hello world, which we have printed, which you have written in the message box. And click on close. Here, there is one more thing, flow. And so this is the flow view, the same way which we are using the list view. So this list view is user friendly, so we can able to use this list view only. We'll be following this list view. If you need to see both the views, you can click on dual. It will be visible in side by side. So using this list, we'll be selecting it. So whatever the actions which we are doing, so in further next classes, we can go through each of these topics, each of these packages here, how to use those, and how we are building the bots in the real time. So I can guide you people. I can show you the what all the things, what all the activities will be performing during the course. I'll share the contents as well. Any questions or any doubts?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Nitin.
So actually, there is no showing a green tick mark. So that's why I'm asking.
Sorry, Niranjan,
Just a moment.
your voice is a bit low.
Sir, is it visible, sir, screen?
Yeah.
Sir, it's not showing green tick
Once
marks.
go to that.
Here, sir, bottom side. Device setting here.
Yeah, click on that. So your device has an update available. Click on that update now. One second. So it's showing the status waiting for the update. Let's wait till that. Might be your local machine needs a Windows update. So for that, it's
Yes, sir, refresh here. Just this.
did you got it? Click on the refresh button in the side by you could see, right? Click on that. I guess some restart is required, I guess, for this. So you can
What's up?
you can try restarting your machine and then try connecting back it again. It will work.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So any questions or any doubts in the course? What all the things will be following in the next 30 days? So are you guys interested to join the training session? So Okay, that's it for today's session. So if you guys are interested, I can share you further more information how the payments need to be done, and we can start. So we are planning to start this batch from day after tomorrow. So if you people want to join, you're most welcome.
Sure, Vamsi. Thank you.
Thanks. So thank you all. Thanks for joining.